In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create and join a private server here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. I'm actually currently in a private server right now, and this is extremely easy to go ahead and do. However, you can't do this if you're currently in the game. So what you need to go ahead and do first is actually back out of the game. You can do this just by selecting the little Roblox icon up in the top left, and then hit leave and confirm by hitting leave one more time. Once you're on this, you need to get on the game page itself and just scroll down, and you're going to see a little servers tab. Select that, and then of course up at the top you're going to see a create private server option right here. You can only create one private server, and I actually currently have it right now, so I'm not going to make another one. But essentially, just go ahead and create one, and then it's going to pop up right here. You can select this little pencil icon where you can make sure that like friends can join and whatnot. You can turn on allow joining, but once you go ahead and do that, you just got to back out, hit join, and of course you can join that private server. You can have 12 different people in here. It's super easy. And if you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.